Starting on Sundays, we will be conducting a Veteran Affairs workshop, which will entail information and a question and answer with any veterans that stop by and have any questions that need answered or need information where they need to be shown in the right direction. The workshops are meant to help and assist veterans in a free, legal way and an educational way for veterans to obtain information or know where to obtain information without having to pay out of pocket for said information. A lot of information is out there free, it's just a lot of veterans don't know where to look or just don't know the right answers to get or the right questions to ask. These will be workshops that we hold every Sunday, and we will continue to do these to try to educate people and try to show them the information and the benefits and entitlements that they're supposed to have and answers to questions that most people may not ask. These videos will help make shorter form videos, which will be published out to the veteran community in order to assist and possibly answer questions that some people may not know the answers to. I appreciate everyone that tunes in and stops by, and I hope all the information gathered and obtained through these videos benefits all the veterans that stop by. Thank you for tuning in.